Yeah, okay. Germany 3 again?
Yeah, Germany 3, Santiago Echo Delta.
Germany 3 Sierra Echo Delta. Good evening from 9 Zulu 4 Bravo Mike. Name here is Leon in the island of Trinidad. You're 5 and 9, okay?
Okay, Leon, nice to work you here. We've worked on 6 meters many years ago, but never on 10 meters. You're 5 and 9. My name is Mike, and I'm on the south coast of England near the city of Southampton. 9:04 p.m. Golf 3 Sierra Echo Delta.
Yeah, okay there, Mike. Alrighty, Mike. Yeah, and been monitoring 6 meters down here in the Caribbean for a while, and still no kind of opening. A little bit of opening on FT8, but I'm not a fan of FT8. But nice to see you here on 10, and just testing an antenna, a 0.64 wave ground plane antenna, just rebuilt for a friend of mine here in the island. Okay.
Okay, yeah, well, it's very strong. You're a genuine 5 and 9 here. I'm amazed that's just a vertical. Funny enough, I just put up a new antenna too, Leo. This is a 5-element monoband Yagi, about 22 meters up. So I'm just enjoying it. This is only the second day I've had it up. And it really makes such a difference. But the vertical is incredible. You're 5 and 9 here. Running, by the way, the ICOM 7850. 9:04 p.m. Golf 3 Sierra Echo Delta.
Yeah, okay, Mike G3 SED from 9Z4 BM. Okay, yeah, fine. I do a lot of antenna building this way. I even use some of the software, antenna modeling software here. I also have a 5-element wideband Yagi to put up. Covers both 11 and 10 meters. If you look at my Curiosat page, you will see the antenna. So I need to rebuild that and put that up. But for now, just testing this vertical there, Mike, okay?
Yeah, well, it's working fantastic. As I said, you're 5 and 9 here. And I've been looking at the nice pictures on your QRZ page. And it looks like you used some LFA aerials there on 6 meters. So I'll let you look around the band. I'm just looking at the 5-element. It's very similar to what I'm using here. Mine has a U-shaped driven element. Mine is a U-shaped driven element, and it's very wide band. And 9:04 p.m. Golf 3 Sierra Echo Delta.
Yeah, okay there, Mike. Yeah, some information I came across there on the internet with the U-shaped reflector instead of the U-shaped driven element. And the design on my 5-element there maintains a constant pattern over about 1.5 meg bandwidth, and it does work nice, but just have to rebuild it. Alrighty, nice chatting with you. Thanks a lot for coming back to my call, Mike, and actually doing a little video here while we are speaking. So I will upload it to YouTube if it's not a problem with you, just to show that this 0.64 wave antenna is working. Over.
Yeah, by all means, it's not only working, but it's a big signal, as I said on the link. I wish I could send you a video back. You're peaking 5 and 9. I was amazed. I thought you were going to tell me you had the beam up. So that's great. So it just reminds you, doesn't it, that a vertical can work very well. Okay, I'll let you get some more reports, but nice to work you here from the southern England, where today for us it's very warm. It's been 27 degrees today, which is very warm for England. Hi. And 9:04 p.m. Golf 3 Sierra Echo Delta.
Okay, Mike. All right, thanks a lot, yeah, and hopefully we'll meet soon again there. G3 SED. Mike, you take care. From 9 Zulu 4 Bravo Mike and the island of Trinidad. Bye-bye.
73, good luck.
Yeah, all right, so let's do that test for the 0.64 wave, and here is what it looks like. Just about 10 feet off of the ground. Whip is about 22 feet, and the matching coil. quarter wave, 4/4 wave radius. Yep. Alright, nice.